Samsung files patent for vertically folding smartphone. Samsung is working on a new smartphone which will fold vertically, according to a patent filed by the company with WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization. As per the drawings in the filing, the foldable design comes with a central hinge area that can fold both ways. It would have a display that would fold outwards. Apple contractors listen to 1,000 Siri recordings per shift. Report: a contract employee who worked with Apple claimed the company hired contract workers worldwide to listen and grade Siri recordings. The former employee added that Apple expected him to listen to over 1,000 recordings from Siri every shift. Apple said that it has suspended the program after The Guardian reported last month that contract workers also heard people's private conversations. Electronic lens more capable than human eye made. A team of Harvard researchers has created an electronic lens that works like the human eye. However, the lens comprises additional capabilities including simultaneous focus, control of aberrations caused by astigmatisms and image shifts. This demonstrates the feasibility of embedded optical zoom and autofocus for a wide range of applications, including cell phone cameras, the team said. Reducing e-commerce restrictions will revive Indian economy. Amazon's India head Amit Agarwal on Wednesday said that India needs to encourage e-commerce and reduce red tape to help revive domestic economic growth. Even a seller who wants to sell out of their state has to get a tax registration in the new state, he said. Agarwal added that there is so much opportunity to just let e-commerce thrive.